I'm gonna make some pineapple jam, preserve. There's no canning involved because I'm making a small amount. And I'm gonna dice this up by hand. But you don't have to. You can use a Cuisinart. Small little pieces like that. All of that. And then the rest of the pineapple, this is what I do all the time. Well, let me add the rest of the ingredients. Now, I've never made this before, which means as I'm guessing the amounts of everything, I'm also going to make adjustments on the way. And this is not fresh lemon juice, and I'm not using fresh, I'm using this squeezed ginger paste. I love it. It lasts in the refrigerator. And this should give it a nice little bite also. And then the hot sauce. I better not screw this up. Let me see what I wrote. The hot sauce. Yeah, I put 1 tablespoon on my recipe and I'm sticking to it because this is spicy and this is what makes it. Whatever your hot sauce is. I used to buy sriracha hot chili sauce, but they don't have that at Costco, so I bought this. And you know, to me they're very, very similar. Unless you have an acute taste for the different hot sauces, be satisfied with any hot sauce. And a half a cup of sugar, which might not be enough. So we have this on a low flame, and I'm going to mix that. And I'm going to look and see that I didn't miss anything that I wanted to put in there. So we have the pineapple, the water, the sugar, and that was a half a cup of sugar. And that's also a half a cup of water. Okay, so I gotta live with that. I was gonna put 1/3 cup of sugar in it, but I'm in a rush. Okay, so this is gonna cook. This could take maybe a half hour or so. The sugar is going to thicken this. And you can put in the speed stick right now and just smooth that out. But I like a little piece of pineapple touching my tongue. Okay, so I got this here. I'll put down the time it takes, and then I'll make adjustments. Well, it's been a few minutes just to see how it's cooking. Nice and easy, so if it's too high and you're not paying attention, the sugar could burn. Stick to the bottom. See how low the flame is? Who's in a rush when you want to have something come out nice? Anyway, I have the timer on and we'll continue watching this. So that's been simmering like that for a half hour. And after 20 minutes, I put in another 1/4 cup of sugar. So I am gonna set my timer for 15 minutes now. That'll be 45. And I'm assuming it might be ready. If not, we just keep going. So it's been 45 minutes. Not that it's a problem, but I'm going to allow this to cool down and see what happens to the texture of it. Oops, no banging. And it smells great. Anyway, I'll leave that there for about a half hour and just check it out. You can use this in various ways. Anyway, I feel that it came out great. You just take some, put it on cream cheese, you don't need a lot. And that's how much it made. And it'll last in the refrigerator a week with no problem. So try it out. I think you'll love it.